Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a haul. Instead of me just sitting here and babbling about where I've been and what I've been doing and every other thing like that, I'm just going to jump right into this video. And I figured since I've been away for a while, what not better video to film than a haul, because I like to shop, you guys probably like to shop, so that's what I did. I did go to a couple of places, everything in an Ulta bag. Now, very deceiving because there's a lot of stuff in this bag, but it just looks like I went to Ulta. But as you can tell from this title, I did not only go to Ulta. I went to 3 different stores. I went to Ulta, and then I went to Rite, and then I went to TGI. I was going to say TGI Fridays. I did go on separate days, so no, I did not go and spend all this money on makeup on the same exact day. It was all split here and there. I'm going to do Ulta first. Today I had been looking up some stuff that I wanted to get, and I wanted to get a new, like, bright, colorful eyeshadow palette, and I just happened to be checking my emails the one day and a coupon from Ulta came in, so I specifically told Alec that I wanted to go to Ulta and I wanted to pick up this one single palette. Like, I went into Ulta thinking I was just going to get this palette. I had my coupon ready and everything else, and 25 minutes later, I was spending almost $62. This is the palette that I got. This is the one that I went in for. I've been wanting a bright colored eyeshadow palette. I do have another one, but it's not like brand name. It's not high end. It's just one that I picked up from 5 and Below, and the colors were okay. They weren't the greatest, but I was using that for a while. But I wanted something that was specifically matte and colorful. NYX is one of my favorite brands, so I went with this one. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have already seen thousands and thousands of reviews on this palette because I am always 100% late on the bandwagon for these things. The products are sent to people in like PR packages or whatnot, but me, I gotta wait for it to be released, then I gotta save up the money to go and buy it, and then by the time that all happens, it's like months after all the tutorials and stuff have already been uploaded to YouTube. So, I'm a little slow, but I'm still going to do some fun creative looks with this. This is called the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it is the Bright palette. I did already swatch every single one of these because I'm very impatient, and the first thing I do when I get home is I unbox everything and I swatch it. It was originally $17.99, and with my coupon I did get a extra, I think it was like $1.02 off, so it came down to $16.97. But I'm really excited to use that. While I was in Ulta, I decided that I wanted to get a couple more things to kind of like play around with that palette. So another thing that I got was this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. This is in the color Gunmetal, and it was originally $4.49 and I got 25 cents off, and it came down to $4.24. I'm just gonna get the like white one, but when I walked up to the counter, she had noticed that open and that it had been used, so I had to go back and I was gonna get the same exact one, but unfortunately that was the last one. Or I just happened to pick up the one that was like the tester or whatever. So I just went and got this one. And I'm really super excited to use this little guy. The next little thing I got is I got one of the NYX Hot Singles, and I got the color Bad Seed. When I originally picked up this color, I was looking for a dark, deep red. And when you look into it, it looks red, but when you open it and swatch it, it's more of a... It's not red. Like, it looks like a peach. Like a dark peach, if that's what you want to call it. You can see it right there. And I was kind of disappointed in it, but I guess I should have checked that while I was there. But I'm still going to use it. This was originally $4.49 and I got 25 cents off, and it came down to $4.24. Then just a little thing that I threw into my cart when I was checking out is clear adhesive lash glue, and this is by Ardell. This was like a last minute thing as I was going into the checkout. You know them like little things they have sitting right there that you're always looking in, but you're like, oh, I'm never going to buy anything. Yep, no. I got lash glue. And this was $4.99 and I got 28 cents off, which brought it down to $4.71. Last thing I'm going to talk about is something that I was absolutely not going to buy, and this is probably what put me over the edge. Absolutely was not thinking clearly. I had gotten the palette and everything else. I was actually getting ready to go check out, and there were people in front of me, so I had to go back in the other direction and kind of like cut through another aisle. As I was cutting through the other aisle, on the end cap was sitting this bad boy. Now, once again, I know I'm late on the bandwagon. I know there's videos up on YouTube from like 8 months ago talking about this, but I wanted to get it, so I did. It is the Wet n Wild Midnight Mermaid collection, and it says it's originally $58. No, it says the value is $58.88, and it was only $29.99. It has 12 pieces, and it says it's only at Ulta Beauty, but it does have the new sign on it, so I don't know if it's actually like new or just released, or it's been released a while ago and they're just getting rid of some of their I don't know why he always has to play his music. Anyway, I don't know if they were just trying to put the rest of these out and get them sold, but I bought one. And I was thinking about doing like a first impressions and review on this, but like I said, I know there are quite few other videos that are specifically talking about this makeup collection, and I'm pretty sure those people got them in their PR packages. I had to buy this bad boy, and I don't regret it at all. Like I said, there is 12 pieces in this set. You have the liquid lipsticks, the highlighter bar, the liquid eyeliners, and then you have the liquid eyeshadows. Just open this bad boy up so you can see what's inside. This is what the beautiful box looks like. It's just so pretty. And then the inside, you open all this and bam, looks like that. So you got your eyeliner, your lipstick, your eyeshadow, and your highlighter bar. So that is that. I'm not going to get into much detail about that because, like I said, I'm debating whether or not I want to do a video with it or not. To mention, that mermaid box was originally $29.99 and I got $1.70 off, which brought it down to $28.29. And with everything, I spent $61.95 at Ulta. And I was proud of myself for doing that. We're going to jump right into Rite Aid. Originally, I went into Rite Aid to get my prescription, and as I was checking out, she was like, do you want to use your reward points? I didn't know I had reward points, so I had like $10 that I could use. So I was like, okay, I'm going to go get some makeup. So that's what I did. Now, the next two things I'm going to talk about, I have never heard of this brand. I don't know if they're new. I don't know what the deal is, but since this is my local Rite Aid and I go there quite a bit, I have never seen these products there before. It must have been like a new display. I've never seen it before, but this palette, when I show it to you, I was literally like, I absolutely love this palette. And this is what it looks like. The brand is called Kokie Professional, if I'm saying that right, and it has a little elephant on it. Makeup brand is cruelty free, which I love, obviously. But this is called the Artist palette, and it's called Peachy Queen. And the front of it looks like this, and then just the back of it looks like this with all of these fun shades. There are 12 shadows in this eye palette, and this is what it looks like. I mean, come on, isn't that just like the prettiest freaking palette ever? I am so excited to use this color right here. I don't know what it is about this color. All the other colors are absolutely gorgeous, but it's just this one peach color that I absolutely am dying to try. I haven't swatched any of these yet. I was waiting. I'm going to do a separate video of this brand because I do have something else that I did buy. I'm super excited to play with this palette and to do a makeup tutorial with it, so be on the lookout for that. Next thing that I got is this Kokie Professional Fan Brush. I've been wanting a different brush for using my highlighter. Usually I use this one, it just has the pointed end, but I actually wanted like a small fan brush, so I got this one, and it comes in this cute little case. And how does this thing open? Oh, there we go. And it just pops off and it looks like this. And yeah, that's what this little guy looks like. And it's really soft, and I'm just so excited. I can't wait to use it. And that is the 605 fan brush. This brush was $9.99. I did buy like a thing of cookies, which was like $1.69. I'm guessing instead of on one item, it took off just the $10 off the entire purchase. So my total was $26.05, and with the $10 off, I got everything, including my cookies, for $16.05. The last place that I went to was TJ Maxx. And I went into TJ Maxx looking for a specific item, and I left with nothing that was even similar to that. So the first thing I got was the Garnier Skin Active Clean and Invigorating Daily Scrub. Just looks like this. I've been wanting to try some new face washes because my other face wash, I've been out of it for like a month maybe, and I have been wanting to try something new. I'm thinking about doing a whole other video on my skincare routine because I'm always changing different products. Either I don't like them or I use them all up, or since my skin is extremely sensitive, I can't use them anymore. I need to do a skincare routine video, so make sure to keep your eye out for that video too. Now the last thing that I got, and I'm probably most excited for this because I have never actually bought like a palette just for highlighter. Usually I always get the small ones, or they come in the palettes that I buy, but today I bought this bad boy. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. Since I did get it at TJ Maxx, it wasn't expensive as it usually is, but it says it compares. It says compare at $42, and I got mine for $24.99. And again, you guys have probably already seen this palette, but you know what? Let me have my moment because I'm super excited about it. I did already swatch every single one of these, but it's just so pretty. So pretty. I love this. Oh, I just dug my nail into it. Well, I am in love with this color and the blue color. Obviously, you guys know that I like blue. I have blue on my nails, but this color, I just can't. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty that is. My heart just melts. So pretty. But yes, this was $24.99, and I'm sure you guys will be seeing it in a bunch of new tutorials. Also got a TJ Maxx Rewards Access card, and you can use it at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. So I got one of them. That is pretty much it for this haul video. If you guys like these videos, make sure to let me know either by liking this video, leaving a comment. You can even subscribe if you want to. You guys know the deal. As always, I enjoy making videos for you guys. I know I've been away for a very long time. That's why I wanted to bring this little haul video to you guys. I'm not going to do the whole spiel like I usually do, but if you want to, you can like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!